In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Pipedrive Deals view. We'll walk through a quick and efficient way to customize your pipeline or Kanban style view so it shows exactly the information you care about without any unnecessary clutter. By the end, you'll know how to adjust the deal cards themselves so your team can scan your pipeline at a glance and immediately understand what's going on. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different icons for the main sections of Pipedrive. Look for the icon labeled Deals. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into your Deals area where you can see your pipeline laid out in columns that represent stages, like Qualified, Proposal, or Won, depending on how your account is set up. At the top left of this Deals screen, you'll see the current pipeline name. This might be something like Sales Pipeline or any custom name your organization is using. Click directly on that pipeline name. When you do, a small menu or drop-down will appear with options related to the current pipeline. In that menu, look for the option that says Customize Deal Cards. Click on Customize Deal Cards to open the settings panel that controls what information appears on each card in your pipeline view. This is where the real customization happens. You'll now see a list of available fields that you can show or hide on each deal card. These might include things like organization name, deal value, expected close date, owner, or any custom fields you've created. To tailor the view, simply select or deselect the fields you want to see. Selected fields will appear on every deal card in that pipeline, while deselected fields will be hidden, keeping the cards cleaner and easier to read. As you make changes, think about what your team needs to see at a glance. For example, many teams prioritize seeing the deal value and the next activity date right on the card, so they can quickly judge which deals need attention. Try to avoid adding too many fields, because overcrowded cards can become harder to scan. Once you're happy with the fields you've chosen, look for the Save button in that customization panel and click Save. This applies your changes immediately, and your pipeline view will refresh to show the updated card layout. That's it. You've just edited your Pipedrive Deals view with a minimum number of clicks, creating a cleaner, more focused pipeline that supports your daily work.